Jatend migao mar omenda John MBADI olando okenge maseketo bang' ndalo 50 nyaka nodonji e apisi mar neno ni oketo chenro mag dongruok e lai makare. MBADI bende owacho ni ochumi mar piny Kenya odongo kata malo 5 higani kosingo ni nengo mar mwandu ok bi idho e pacho ka. Fredrick Omondi nigi ler mathoth.
Kane oloso kawuono e apisi mar migao mar omenda e boma ma Nairobi, jatend migao mar omenda John MBADI owacho ni oseketo okenge mag neno ni piny odongore, ka achiel kuom okengego en duoko piny pek mar osuru. Okang' mokwongo, MBADI owacho ni migao mare osechako chenro mar duoko chien usuru mijuogo gi KRA koriwo nyaka mar VAT, ka mae owacho ni biro keto ngima mayot ne jopiny.
And to further ease the tax burden on Kenyans, the National Treasury, under my stewardship, has initiated steps to reduce pressure on the lower tax cadre by promoting robust economic growth. We must lower the VAT rate. We must strive to also even reduce the corporation tax from 30 to 25%. Why? And it is in our tax policy. Why? So that we can release pressure on companies, on taxpayers.
MBADI olando ni sirikal dhi chwalo siling bilion 32.6 juma manyien ne counties, kendo mae biro miyo counties bandho mana chudo mar dwe mar 9.
I am aware that this week we are disbursing the August allocation, so that we will only be in arrears with 1 month of September, and my strategy is to have all the arrears cleared by end of this fiscal, by the end of the calendar year, that is December.
Omedo ni gisayudo pesa moromo ma idhi ger godo klese kod chako ndiko mos jopuonj mag junior secondary kochopo dwe mar 1 higa manyien.
And we have got support from World Bank, you know that. So we are going to have classes. There is funding, but that funding is available from January. So the JSS teachers, it is clear they are going to be absorbed, but we will absorb them gradually. Before the unions called off that strike, we made it very clear that there is funding in the budget. At one point, I was quoted as having said that there was no money. There was no money to immediately employ JSS teachers.
Aput manono gope maweg mwandu bandho sirikal bende ominya ka dwe mar 3 higa manyien mar neno ni nonro otim kendo oyangi jogo ma owinjore ochul.
Pending bills, we have, yes, a pending bills verification committee which was supposed to conclude its assignment by October. They have requested for extension to March, but I'm asking them to give us a preliminary report, because again, we don't want the committee to be there in perpetuity.
Ewi liet mo okwako okang' ma sirikal ochiwo ne orak kambi mar Adani, moko kuom chenro mage, ka MBADI wacho ni kambino obiro kod nyalo mar jiwo dongruok kod nyuolo tije.
Like the case we have with JKIA, what is the worst that can happen? Because these are people who are coming with their money to invest. The worst is that they may not, one, give us a fair share of the revenue that is going to be generated, or two, they may be inefficient. If you use KIA, you will realize that the current arrangement is not working properly. We will lose out to our competitors in the region. Rwanda is coming up very strongly. Ethiopia has developed its airport. Kenya must follow suit. We must do it.
MBADI bende olero ni onge tiende ji odoge okumba mar thieth mar NHIF, ka wacho ni kar timo mano to owinjo ji ong'i yore minyalos go midhiero mane SHA mar neno ni jopiny oyudo chenro mag thieth e yo makare.
What you call SHA, which is basically an authority managing 3 funds. If it is facing challenges, let us look for ways on how to make it better, but not to call for going back to NHIF, which actually did not work and may not work and will not work.
Fredrick Omondi, Ramogi TV.